Hello there, my friend, and welcome. Do you think starting a digital business will take up all your time? Well, think again because I'm going to share with you 5 surprising strategies that show you how you can fit a business into your schedule. Now, as a busy mom, I know your time is limited, but what if you could build a business around your daily routine? By the end of this video, you'll discover simple, flexible, actionable ways that you can make your digital work business work for you without having to sacrifice precious time with your family. Hey, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm a single mother of 2 children, originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel. I was going around and around in circles, living from paycheck to paycheck. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. So if you are a busy mom, you're trying to balance work, family, laundry, school drops, and all these things that come with being a mom, you're definitely in the right place at the right time. One of the things that you should learn to do to build your business is there are 24 hours in a day, right? 8 hours you're probably working a job, 8 hours for sleep. There's 8 hours there that you're up and about. And believe it or not, there's little pockets of time here and there that you can actually use productively. For instance, if you have young kids when they're napping, that could be your time to work your business. Or if you are they have activities, you drop them off, you could be doing some stuff in the car while waiting for them. Whenever you can have still little pockets of time, these can be times to work your business, because all you need really is a device and the internet in order to build your business. Okay. And one of the second thing that you could do is you could automate repetitive tasks. There's different tools and resources that could make your life a lot easier. For instance, you could schedule your posts. You could use scheduling tools like Hootsuite. There's different tools and resources that you can use to make your life easier. I use a tool, I'm going to put the link in the description, that allows me to post on multiple channels, right? So that's actually very very helpful. Now, it's important for you to actually start small and scale gradually, right? You don't need a fancy website and all these things. You don't have to spend thousands and thousands to start your business. You can actually start small, and you can actually leverage a done-for-you automated marketing system that you can actually plug into, okay? So start small and just gradually build it up. And you can actually involve your kids into simple tasks. You can give them simple things that they can do to help you, and you can brainstorm and just work together and actually have agreements with them to let them know, this is my time to work my business. Okay, just leave me alone for half an hour while you do your thing, let me do me, and then we can come back and work and have fun together. Okay, so very, very important to just have that understanding with your children that you're trying to build something, a future for them. Okay. And the other thing that you could do is you could outsource different tasks that you're not good at, because as an entrepreneur, there's so many moving pieces. So if you outsource to the sites like Fiverr, that you can pay as little as $5 for people like in India, in different countries, to do certain tasks for you. Okay, so that is those are my tips, right? They're very practical. You can actually apply them right now. And I can relate. I said to you, I'm a full-time student, I'm a single mom, and I'm actually building my business. So I have to get the time where I can. So I'm just sharing with you the different things that I've done myself to allow me to build my business on a busy schedule. So I want to share with you an opportunity to claim a free guide. It's a 10K in 30 days live interactive guide, which is in the description below. But I want to share with you some wins that our moms in our community have. So for instance, here, Erica Smith, she posted yesterday how she made $3,000 in 3 days, right? The first, she signed off in February 2024, and she made 3,900 in 30 days then, right, when she started. So for 3,930 days to 3,003 days, that's absolutely amazing. I'm just going to scroll up here to see any other moms. Barbara, $900, that was just 7 minutes ago. I love making money while I sleep. Although my phone was on silent, I didn't hear the ding. I woke up with the exciting notifications on $900 sale. That's absolutely amazing, okay? Marlene, 7 days ago, first $600 sale. Congratulations to Marlene. Let me see. Viola reached level 7 in our community. Jessica, she was on airplane mode for 2 days and made 3,900, right? I will never stop thanking God and being amazed at the skills I've learned here. I lost my TikTok account, but still made this money. Email equals freedom, right? Absolutely amazing. So yeah, we have a proven step-by-step blueprint that mothers just like you, different people, there's mothers, fathers, different people that are actually using it to earn 6 figures, 7 figures, 3, 4 figures, different amounts of money based on the experience. So what I want to do is I want to invite you to click the link in the description to claim a free copy of our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide. And I will deliver the guide to your email. Make sure you respond to my email. Ask me any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them for you. And if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been Amazing Angela from partnerangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.